All right, let's dive into another hot topic. Can you be tracked when using a VPN? The answer is yes, if the VPN is using big tech. Here's the scoop. First off, while a VPN masks your IP address, companies like Google and other big tech VPNs still track your online activities through other means, as most VPNs use big tech cloud to operate. However, a VPN does offer protection against certain threats. You can still protect your identity from cyber criminals lurking on the internet connections. See, I use SekurVPN, the only commercially available Swiss-hosted non-big tech privacy VPN. It encrypts your connection and keeps your identity private. In Switzerland, your IP address is considered private property by law, so these guys will never sell your traffic data. With Sekur, you can confidently stay secure and stay vigilant about safeguarding your online privacy. Your data is invaluable, and now it's shielded with SekurVPN's Swiss privacy. Use my promo code PRIVACY and go to sekur.com and regain your privacy today.